contemporary art is rather evolved. It has evolved from the traditional art form. So in that way, there is a similar reference point. If you want to look at the differences, keba khandes do shinta ba keba del ghar tongresina pebe traditional artwork dela chida khoi ki purpose to chorwa di chida da cheta de jungam da tis deva yoba che shukchumu ani pegi remote into sangma it's a means to a religious end, whereas Tibetan contemporary art is rather a individual expression. So dines yeba chena mashe shamba chida mixes nga dux yeba chengi shdas thumudo nge dux ta de bebe dengdu remote neda pe thobo jille ora sangdo. For instance, a very good friend of mine konga gyasula kora ine penchashina Venice banana tsure ta dingone kora show dinal tsue kora pe khakboyor ta arigi pat kora remoting keba dinde down ta dagana shi gyagi MF Hussain la down ta gyami gi remoting keba dinde onne kora select shini konso gi chik damgoro dinala da penchashina pebe gi remolan pebe tsue ni chik konga gyasula ine kora page tsuyore ani I think Nyama Divala goes to Chida Tibetan contemporary art, Tibetan la adjective di Pujetanche, Manguchi Idestinita, Pebe remuting Kompudu Lanchik Lero. A Teresa and a Chida Tibetan Samson Pujetan or the Mangche, Tibetan contemporary art, the Zamlingi contemporary art arena Nanglone, one of the important elements in our Sugdua. So, Duk Samlatantu Nedangone, which and Tanduine, I think. It is just beginning. I think within 5 to 10 years later, I think it's going to be really up there. Tadi pe kale khaburos do deshe geda. Ine ngara dosta di pebegi. First of all, if you really want to see Tibetan contemporary art la ngara gi way ni categorize che chik di diresha. If it has some kind of Tibetan accent to it. Content khari ine mene re expression khane legi yone mene ine dile Tibetan accent ra di this khakudwa this chala you really have to be in it sounds really weird ine pebachi giran chiba dila chik pebachi giran thengdu gi remote thini reference the traditional art lendu Ani Tibetan contemporary art do chagi sare ta inji jige inji inde khaje inde remoting inde do de ne it seems this force chini tigyo do chik naturally chik legyo do thongum do and tinde ji de ani ko chik re lana I would say it's a bad acting so acting in a chiko naturally chik le do so I think so the khonju chikchina sugi yugma ta I don't know ara thangbo shana It's still in the process of being defined. Tibetan contemporary art lana khare lage. So I really cannot give you a definite answer right now. Ale namgyu chida Tibetan contemporary art khachi pebe thengdu gi remo khachi exhibition demde khawa gasa da chiore California diwala chiore museum de mangbu chiore in New York la gallery diwala ta chiore de in first time Rubin Museum Koraz ge tanda New York ge Koraz Museum la ta chigora that's why it's very important kebe khejumur sang de din nanglo la remote nge mangbuchi lungba khawa san damre London ni yore dagane shi London ni konga gya sola dagane shi kesan lamda la Switzerland ne che dine de la pene che ani ngara ta New York ne che dine artist tandu mangbu yore so artist sangma ji gone industry remote I think it's very important, interesting. Personally, to me, I hope New York nala paper mangbuchi I think it'll be really interesting. I think artists la boundary yo maralane digidra yo maralana you still face the boundary. I think boundary the society, the community ki lenger da boundary break che the an artist ki lenger do chag So that's why French term avant-garde like this. So they're just pushing the boundary, I think. So you test. Same thing is happening with Chinese contemporary artists. Khonzo ki jida mangche scholar ki khonzo la khonzo ki thangbungye la lamsang or shenangsa or doji khonzo communist government la provoke che do masyo che tis chi Dilingi do lingi midota. Dine ya tis chi komba chik chik yap. So they're not doing triple jump. They're doing like small, tiny, long jump. Chicks, chigi, boundary to push, chigi, boundary to push, chigi. And society, liberals are I think personally, Chida Pevegi community now they are very tolerant, very liberal. Ngara experience na and in so many ways, Ngara community Dagarani artists, I feel really fortunate and lucky also. In a boundary, the artist ki boundary the the lenge re samgudu. I think community ki boundary the artist ki boundary the this push and community ki thick sawash the and I think that's the historically progress duk story samgudu ngara samju. So artist la boundary your responsibility your lana I don't know. I think responsibility in a sense ngapen session remote engage into some nga remove naga genre kawas kanjumunjul chi performance the kanjumunjul in some certain event happens like let's say March 10th la pernang la singdu din lang and then emotionally you get charged and then I make political pieces but then takparish political remote here mara so yeah takparish political remote higo mara so I think it depends on boundary khandes league mara la that some even a political remote it in itself is also a boundary. So artists, from my personal opinion, katui in a boundary chilogi thick thango to boundary membership. Some so boundary thick thangora. But thanga thing in a thanga chugush and that's also a boundary. So I think it's a interesting struggle and hopefully a nice artwork comes out of it. So in the Tivadi, I think you're talking about remote chimbaina, remote degi drama jangu in a tumbaina, takes a chair me with a country manju tishabaina, and the digital cookie did temperature the hill and temperature the chagri. Very philosophical question also. This is Narakatu in a Halagisana, Midizugi, art lana karelan, some of you want to cook the. And I say art is a stage for a mind to dance. I present a stage and every time different stage present chidi and then people are more intrigued and they tend to dance on it. In a meaning kanel lego lana mitange chil rally do. So mitange chigi penchana menda doj na ta miji ngejana Iraq nile baina kyuki lamsa Bush ki dongba do thongruwa America thengirwa whereas the pebado jikta baina oh the gamido thengirwa. So I think context the susogi personal experience ni context dira and phage dila and the experience the phage pesha and dine meaning chi thoyngora. So artist khora rangi phage buddha hi doj labaina maybe for him ingire ine phage ingyo dia 상막이 나가랑 초바 le goyaj relan dikhapgiyo marwa. So I think individual perspectives jora kora khandes tagido. Secondly, I think nganzu pebegi thanga remudin has a lot to do with religious significance jora. So the Hindu religious significance I think kawale na strong religious content dila this carefully treat chiba and I think it's a little more in I think it'll be more that's where the responsibility lies I think not to undermine other people's faith belief dinso undermine chini dinso pat kora thona kora maten and kanju manju chi chibena and I think then you can argue that ni chimdo ji the art you know because karsa remote tikyo dil ni chimdo ding jedo and chobu na ko art in itself don't have a meaning. It has always been a democratic value. So I think you have to we have to be in the balance. I think balance in the sense that you do research about certain things and then come out with something new. Didn't do something.